Good morning, guys. What's up, guys? What's up, Owen? Intraday, yes, Mohammed. It's bearish. What's up, Brian? What's up, YouTube? We'll start about 45 seconds, guys. Get those questions, your tickers out there. We'll start in just a second, guys. Just prepping some stuff for you guys. About 20 seconds, folks. About 20 seconds. Come on in and have a seat. Pull up your pen and paper. Yeah, Brian. We're in a strong downtrend right now. Those mean reversions were spot on by the matrix. Nice, Mohammed. $3 on that. Congratulations. The levels right now, Mohammed, are going to be about the same. They're going to be near the same. There's just a dramatic drop in gold. All right, guys, let's get started. Good morning. Happy Thursday, July 23rd. Thanks for joining in. Today we had initial jobless claims drop. Let's bring it over here. Initial jobless claims numbers came in. Of course, the ECB deposit rate was dropped also. Let me find it right here. Initial jobless claims, actual 187, forecast was 210, so the jobs were stronger than expected in Trumponomics. And it did move the markets down a little bit, but they were already turning down. We'll talk about that on the charts here in a second, guys. Evie, you're late. You owe me push-ups. All right. The NIMO 18, or what is that? 18. Then don't worry about not being able to see it. Instagram. The NAMO 32. The VIX probably 18. Let me guess. No. VIX is 16. The market's unprotected. It's hilarious. It just baffles me. But what do I know? I'm just a social media fraud, according to Meta. Speaking of which, guys, make sure you follow see Student Alpha right here. You see that? Make sure you follow the Student Alpha account on Instagram. Like, subscribe, and follow it as soon as we're done with this live, because it's only a matter of time before this one disappears. All right. So anyway, let's get into the indices, and I exist here to help you guys out. Strong downtrend here, guys. On the weekend update, we called this rollover. Intraday, we had to sit and wait for it. You can see, but now we're breaking downward. This is actually, when was the first time guys, we're seeing pricing we haven't seen in a while. That means that for NES, our next short available will be right at the bottom of the box, and we will buy 7,400 because we haven't seen that in a while. So we have some trades developing here, and if this keeps downtrending, guys, we'll shift to the secondary read on the 1 minute. So we do like strong trends. We don't care about direction because strong trends tend to give us they do give us the best trades. However, guys, last night these were all green on all the indices, and now they've rolled over. What you got to be careful about is making sure that they don't roll back over on us. All right. And we'll be on top of that. We do that. We protect ourselves with stop losses with that. RTY broke out of its channel. Look at that. Remember that long-term channel? This last primary read short was really good. All these were decent, although, you know, when it's sitting in that channel, sub 3,000, I mean, it just, all hell broke loose. I'm going to talk about this, guys, because this is channel break. So you could have bought, you see how this tested the bottom, the channel broke it and dropped. That's the confirmation you look for after that. I'm going to do that in the matrix trading today. For you matrix users, if you purchase the matrix, I trade with you 2 additional times per week. Or if you're not my VIP, you get 2 trading times with me per week where I actually teach usage of this. So as an added benefit, I'm going to go over that today because that's really significant signal there. And again, I just make this shit up, guys. I don't know what I'm talking about. You know, Meta. You know, it figured me out. Meta says I'm a fraud, and yeah, they've caught me. They've caught me. I've been fraudulently giving you free material for 4 years and just making tons of money, tons of free money from you guys. All right, but anyway, this is a significant break here, guys. I put a trade plan in here. Nas likes to go up, but look, key level VWAP, that's the short zone. Okay, outside of that, bottom of the box. So we have multiple short zones here, and we will buy 28,000. We haven't seen it in a long time. So I think there's going to be some good trades available today, guys. Should be a decent war room. YM is about ready to fall on the bottom of the box. Same thing, guys. Kind of key level short here would also be the primary read. Take that short through there. Escalations. My guess is the drop here is Trump fatigue and escalations. Probably going to be boots on the ground. You know, I don't want to see the stock market crash, but we're due with the bullshit going on, right? And then gold. Look at this thing. I put in pre-market this support zone, which is the CPI and PPI data. Look at this. It said nope. Not disrespected. So what you could do here, guys, my traders, you get a retest of this, short it. So you retest, boom, we're probably heading there. So on a trade plan, you could have a tight stop loss of like 5 to 6 and then run that thing down. See how it's coming back in there? Right? Or you play this second read coming in just slightly priced above it. That's an ugly look, guys, for gold. Probably going to head back down. Didn't quite make sense to me in the last couple of days why gold was running so strong, especially high Pearson correlation to oil. Now, of course, those are terms that I made up because, according to Meta, I'm a fraud. Just to baffle you and mesmerize you with my fake knowledge. But that they should have a negative Pearson correlation, meaning they move oppositely, and they have been moving together. So that correlation should come back. And yes, we have, thanks Evie, we have free War Room Friday tomorrow. You can trade with me for free. Evie, you want to throw up any links you have? I can't put links in this account, guys. One of the things I'm suspended from. Not allowed to give you links because I mislead you with all my free stuff. All right, and then oil, guys, it's spiking way up there. If you bought it off the weekend update, you did well because like in WTI and in the groups that I support, particularly the ones that trade oil, yes, because I'm a technical analyst for hire, that all-time high anchored VWAP down here at 84.85 crossing. This is too. I said that was your buy. Yep, right here. Run it up to, it's going to go to 100, right? So this was the buy zone that I called right there. Whoops, let me move it. Instagram. Weekend update comes out every weekend. So let's get to your questions because that's why I'm here, right? That's why I'm here to be fake like Instagram says I am. Yeah, I mean, this is a strong, guys, this is strong on everything. Look, I want you to notice something. Look at the movement. Look at the volume. This is ugly. You might be witnessing a big sell-off today. So second reads on this strong a trend, guys. 1 minute time frame. That's how you trade it. Instagram. Evie just posted our Discord link. You can come trade with me for free. All right, tomorrow. Let's see. YouTube, what you got? Guys, make sure you go over on YouTube and you follow me at Student Alpha, because I don't have any bans or suspensions over there. It just seems like meta. Now, full disclosure, some of my other friends in the trading community, people that I vetted as not being fraudulent, have also gotten these bans. Apparently, you're not allowed to talk about student success. You know, you're not allowed to use the word free. You're not allowed to use the word trading, you know, because, so. Yeah, Joe, you're welcome for all the free misleading knowledge. Glad you appreciate that. Hopefully you're thoroughly confused. ADX is at 58. All right. Yeah, that's a good measurement, Shiraz, for, yeah, Cassie, it blew through that VWAP, but it may come back up, right? So gold, guys, watch this trade here. Ugh. Fell through on the 1 minute, tapped it, and it might just keep falling. But watch that support zone right there. And I like it as a second read. So, you know, short, somewhere around 52 to 55. Watch that, guys, in futures. Keep an eye on that while I'm talking. Cyan, yeah, if you're short an instrument and you get the orange or red signal, you're cruising. Mr. MCH, possible retracement level on NAS. What do you got? 28,674. Let's go look. Are you talking about the underlying or NQ? Yeah, it looks like you're talking about the underlier. I have, whoops. So the next second read, and guys, don't chase NAS. Don't chase it, because this sucker likes to go long, right? 845, and then what you got to do is look at the price difference. 55, 54, 170. So about 170 points lower than this. So it sounds like your math's about right, Mr. MCH. Good job. Let this thing rebound. And guys, one thing that you've got to watch on this much velocity on all instruments is you can't chase it, even though you could be wrong. The deviation from the volume weighted average price, when it's that expanded, you got to be careful chasing it, because you can put the bands in around it. I don't usually trace them, but when you see this much separation, as an example, it usually likes to pull back closer to the mean price. That's why we look for retracements, especially when we're this late. Nobody saw this sell-off up here, right? Everything was green, and now we're just getting strong rollover. So we can't go, oh my gosh, I'm going to chase it. What we do is, rather than chase it, we'll catch it down here on the bounce, unless we get a nice signal, a cleaner signal on the way down. So this is a trending environment, guys. Trends are good. Trends are good. Let's see what you got here for me, Instagram. Again, I'm here Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have been for 4 years. Meta likes to call me a fraud. I don't know any frauds who are willing to stand in front of an audience for 4 years straight, every fucking day, and do this. But scrolling through, seeing what questions you guys have. Stand by. Yeah, rollover. Yeah, that sucks, guys. We've watched, in other words, we come into the war room, as an example. What we don't want to see is come in the war room, everything red, and then we just watch all the fractals roll back green, 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 because outside of mean reversion, it doesn't leave us a trade. But that's what happened last night. This was all green, and then it rolled back over. That makes it tough. We don't mind like the 1 and 5 rolling over, because then it drops. It actually sets us up for a primary read, because we traded on the 5 minute. And again, if you're hearing this for the first time and it doesn't make sense, I teach this in my VIP. You can come trade with me tomorrow and get some of that education. Yep. For free money, I work my ass off. That's right, Mom. Scrolling down. Yeah, keep dropping that link on occasion there, Evie, because we got people joining in. What's up, Jody? Yes, Mohammed. 54 to 56 is still the buy zone in silver, and 4,000 is still a buy zone in gold, right? Until proven otherwise. Eventually they will fail, but gold levels, watch 4,000. Intraday right now, we're shorting and we're buying 4,000 again. How many trades a day? Whatever the market gives us. We've had days with no trades, and we've had days with 7. I do not force trades. If you were looking for a trade group that spams buy and sell calls, don't come to mine. I'm happy to sit there for an hour and tell my traders not to take a trade so that they're not losing money. And yes, we lose trades. Holy shit, people. People come to my group and think we're going to bat 1,000 and hit 100%. Are you fucking delusional? Are you fucking delusional? But our long-term success is proven. It is proven, right? And to be long-term successful, you must stay disciplined to the system and you must honor the losses, guys. Holy shit. I get people lose their fucking mind when they lose a trade. That tells me that they'll never be successful because they don't have disciplined psychology. My traders have watched me lose 10,000 in trade. Zero effect. I don't fucking care because I trust what I do. All right. What other tickers do you guys have? Brian, I don't know that it's going to roll back over on us. This is a pretty strong trend right now, but we do hope that it rolls back into discount levels for us, right? Guys, posting in Instagram there is Alpha Beta Report. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and follow because tomorrow I'm live here 9 a.m. I'll be free in my war room for the community. And then at 11 a.m., I'll be live over at Alpha Beta Report with Crypto John. Those have been phenomenal. That guy is really, really good. We drop a ton of knowledge, explain trading. We explain trades, entries, exits, answer community questions. So like, subscribe, and follow Alpha Beta Report, guys, for free live on Fridays. And make sure you go follow the Student Alpha. All right, so I got X Bradshaw SPXU. So you're trading on the S&P. Let's look at it. SPXU. Now this is an Ultra Pro Share short, which I like. This is similar to my SQQQ play on so buying here would short ES. So I would base this off of levels, and I'll show you how to do this. It's not an exact correlation, but I'm going to show you how you can see this. SPX is the parent to that. You can see that all-time high anchored VWAP is sitting right at 76 or 74.68. Now this ticker is not running because it kicks in after. We're going to be below that. I see downside support around 795. So if you look, the last time price was near that at what was that? Friday, June 26th. And then we go back to SPXU, Bradshaw. And we look at the 26th, right? Right up in here. Okay, so it's probably, when we tap that level, it's going to be here. I like shorting the indices with these right now. You can't hold them in perpetuity because they do decay. But yeah, I mean, don't base it on this pricing, base it on SPX. And then what you want to do with SPX is you can go and you can add as we break this VWAP, which is probably going to happen today. And then you can add once we break this VWAP, because we're going to, when this breaks and holds, we're going to head to 7,000. All right, guys. Well, I've enjoyed being with you. Listen, free tomorrow at 9 a.m. over at Alpha Beta Report, free at 11 a.m. Follow me at the Student Alpha. Look the account up, because eventually this one will not be here. It's a matter of time before Meta just turns it off. It's turned off every functionality that I have for it. So, and then free War Room Friday tomorrow. So see you back at 9 a.m. tomorrow. VIPs, let's do this. We're heading to the trading war.